What's wrong, Mookie? ¿Qué pasa, Mookie? ¿Qué pasa?
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This week we're making dumplings. I'm going to do 7 uploads in 7 days. This is the hashtag Chappy7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. So me and my little Chihuahua Mookie have saved you a seat at the bar. Sit back, relax, and pour yourself a drink.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. If you're interested and you're a YouTuber, all you have to do is do 7 uploads in 7 days, make 7 different dumplings with everyday leftovers. But basically it's just a challenge for Mookie and I to see if we can do it. So we're going to go out to Appies with Chappy by the lake and make those dumplings. But first up, we're going to do a quick drink. I'm just going to do a basic drink. It's called a pineapple screwdriver. So I have a glass of ice. So the original screwdriver is just a vodka and OJ. I'm still going to keep the OJ component, but I'm going to add pineapple juice. So we got some nice Grey Goose vodka. A little bit of OJ. And then we got some pineapple juice, and that's going to make it a pineapple screwdriver. All right, so coming up for Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going to do the hashtag Chappy7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. I got some nice hard salami and mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to make some dumplings out of it. So stay tuned for that. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today for our appetizers, I have some nice hard salami and cheese dumplings. I can't believe I just said hard salami. Alright, and we need a beverage to go with our appetizer, so I'm going to make a Shift Drink Spritz. I have my trusty cocktail shaker here. A little bit of ice. Calls for the juice of 1/2 lime. Oh, damn it, it's one of those plastic limes. All right, that's the juice of 1/2 lime. A 1/2 ounce of Chambord. This is a raspberry liqueur. And that calls for 1 1/2 ounce of cognac. Isn't that what the ladies' man likes to drink? I'm gonna come over and go to town on your ass and your money. We're gonna give that a shaky shaky. That's just going to go into a short glass, and then we're going to top her off with club soda. The recipe calls for 4 ounces of club soda, but I got a long drink in a short glass. And we're just gonna Garnish that with a lemon wedge. And that, my friends, is a Shift Drink Spritz to go with my hard salami and cheese fried dumplings. So that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.